Hi there, students. To attest. To attest means to show that something is true, to say that something is true, or to prove that something is true, to give evidence that it's true. So the large number of people that attended the demonstration attested the strength of feeling. The fact that the painting was genuine was attested or attested to by the expert. This model of car's been on the road for many years. I was going to say hundreds, but no. And that attests to the high quality of manufacture. Yeah. His success as a boxer attests to his ability. So notice, to attest or attest to show, to prove, to give evidence to. Notice this attest, it's related to the word testimony. Yeah? This gives testimony to. This attests. You can also actually have a specialized legal meaning of to attest. To attest a last will and testament. Okay, to attest means to mark something officially, to show that the signature of the person on the will is correct. Yeah, you normally have witnesses to attest a will, to attest to the fact that the signature is genuine. Okay, so to affirm, to affirm to be true or genuine. To authenticate. Yeah, to authenticate officially. Yeah, the expert attested the real value of it. To attest, to establish or verify the use of. This dictionary attests to the fact that this word was first used at least in the 19th century. To attest, to be proof of, to manifest. His good record attests to his integrity. Yeah. The signature attests to the truth of the statement. Okay, so to certify, yeah, to supply or be evidence of, yeah, the good work she produces attests to her ability. So, yeah, the fact that they have never done anything aggressive attests to their good faith. It's evidence of it. The luxury that he lives in attests the wealth that he has. It's proof of it. It shows it. Fossils in the earth attest to the fact that animals lived here before. Yeah. He attested the truth of my statement. Yeah, this attests his reliability. So to certify, to evidence, to reflect, yeah, to affirm, to show, to bear witness to vouch for, to certify, to manifest. The records attest to what you are saying. Yeah, they bear witness to, they confirm it formally as accurate or genuine. Okay, so the fact that he can negotiate with native speakers attests to his high level of English. The CPE will attest that you have a very high level of English. Okay, so to attest, to prove, to certify by signature, to certify by swearing. Okay, next question. How formal is to attest? This is a fairly formal word. I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. To prove, to affirm, to back up, to vindicate. Um, Okay, notice it's a regular verb. He attested the truth of what I said. This has attested what was previously claimed. And then the origin, well, it comes through French, attester, from Latin, attestor, to witness or to bear witness. Add to and testor, give witness. Yeah, testis, a witness. So attest, to give witness to. Okay, so you could, if you enjoyed the video, you could attest to that by giving it a rating. You could also attest your appreciation. Attest your appreciation. It works by subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To attest.